Hey everyone, welcome back to our Adobe series. Today you will see the live demo where I will take you through the journey of our integrated Adobe Experience Manager and Commerce Tools platform. My name is Barkatullah Khan. I'm an AEM developer at Royal Cyber. Before we dive into the details, let's do a quick recap for those who might have missed our previous videos. In our previous video, we introduced you to the seamless integration of Adobe Experience Manager and Commerce Tools. We discussed the architecture behind this integration, highlighting how AEM serves as the content management powerhouse while Commerce Tools handles the e-commerce functionalities. We also explored the key features and benefits of this integration, such as personalized content delivery, streamlined content and commerce workflows, and enhanced customer experiences. From product catalog management to order processing, our integrated platform offers a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to thrive in this digital landscape. Now that we are all catch up, let's jump into the demo. So here we have the screenshot of our homepage where you can see our seamless integration in action. Take a look at our navigation menu. It's dynamic and intuitive, allowing you to easily explore different product categories. Plus, check our eye-catching promotion banners. They are powered by Commerce Tools, ensuring that you are always up to date with the latest deals and offers. This level of organization and dynamism is all thanks to the tight integration between Adobe Experience Manager and Commerce Tools. So now let's head over to the product listing page. Here you will find our products ready for exploration. What's impressive is that every bit of information you see here is fetched in real time from Commerce Tools using GraphQL. This means that you will always have access to the most up-to-date product details and accurate inventory information. Also, don't forget about our handy filters. Whether you're looking for a specific color, size, or any other attribute, our filters make it easy to refine your search and find exactly what you are looking for in no time. It's just another way we are making your shopping experience seamless and convenient. So as you click on a product and land on its dedicated details page, you will notice a wealth of information available at your fingertips. Here you not only have the access to the detailed product description and specifications, but also high resolution images and customer reviews, all managed within AEM. In a sense, while Commerce Tools handles the dynamic retrieval of the product information, it's AEM that leverages the presentation and management of that information to deliver an exceptional PDV experience. So together, AEM and Commerce Tools create a harmonious synergy, ensuring that every touch point in this customer journey is optimized for success. Next up, let's take a peek at the shopping cart, an essential stop on our journey. Here you will find a summary of all the items you have added and is ready for your review and any adjustment you may need to make before proceeding to checkout. Picture this, you have found a perfect shot and added it to your cart with a simple click of the add to cart button on the product details page. Instantly, a mini cart appears and giving you a quick glimpse of your selected item and an easy way to proceed to the cart page. But the magic doesn't stop here. Any changes you make in your shopping cart, whether it's updating the quantities, removing items, or applying discounts or coupons, are seamlessly synchronized across both AEM and Commerce Tools in real time. Finally, we have reached the final review and payment page, the pivotal moment where you put the finishing touches on your purchase journey. Here you will have the opportunity to review all the details of your order before proceeding to payment. Let's delve into the what you can expect on this crucial page. First and foremost, you will be presented with a comprehensive summary of your order, including itemized details such as product names, quantities, price, and any applicable discounts. This ensures complete transparency and allow you to double check that everything is exactly as you want it. Now let's talk about the shipping. Here you will have the freedom to select your preferred shipping method from the available options. Whether you are in a hurry to opt for expedite shipping or prefer standard delivery, the choice is yours. Our integrated integration with Commerce Tools ensures that all the shipping methods are up to date and accurately reflect your convenience. But wait, that there's more. In addition to selecting your shipping method, you will also have the opportunity to add or update your shipping and billing address as needed. Whether you are shipping to your office, home, or sending a gift to loved one, our platform makes it effortless to ensure that your order reaches the right destination. Last but certainly not the least, let's talk the payment. Our final review and payment page offers a seamless and secure checkout experience, allowing you to choose your preferred shipping payment method with confidence. Whether you prefer to pay by credit card or any other supported options, rest assured that your transaction will be proceed with securely and efficiently. Once the order is placed successfully, a message will pop up on the screen confirming your purchase with a cheerful success message. Additionally, you will find a convenient link that directs you to the orders page where you can track and manage all your previous and current orders. And there you have it. That's our live demo showcasing the seamless integration of Adobe Experience Manager and Commerce Tools. If you're interested in learning more about how this integration can benefit your business, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for joining us today.